Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Dahil aming last recipe for today, kaya maraming maingay. Ikaw na nga mag-welcome dito. So, anyway, so for today, ang ating lulutuin ay, because we were able to get this pork sukiyaki cut na beef. So, I'm still debating whether I'm gonna add oyster sauce or not. Because I wanted parang gyudon effect. So, that's why we have rice bowls. Ito yung mga rice na galing kaninang umaga. Please do not bash or judge. Ayoko lang talagang mag-waste dahil ito yung kanin from breakfast. So, sayang naman. So, we're just gonna saute it all together and do some rice topping. Let's go! Let's cook! Here lang, I will just need my wok. So, I'm gonna be using the wok. And what I wanna do is I'll saute first the onions. Tapos tatanggalin ko siya. Then, that's when we start sauteing our pork. Our last recipe for the day. Yan. Bakit ko ba gusto to gawin? Kasi, meron kaming ganito. Ang dami, oh. Ano ba tawag ito? Tonggarashi. So, I will use it as a topping. Kasi sayang. Diba? Okay, I think this is ready. There. So, we're just gonna saute the onions. But we don't want it caramelized, no? Kasi, we're gonna mix it later with the pork. So, very mabilis lang yan. Tapos, itatabi natin. Once it starts smelling, malapit na yan. So, here, so basically, gusto ko lang siya yung parang nalanta lang. Hindi ko alam paano i-describe sa English yun. Nag-wither. Basta, nalanta siya. Yun yung expression ko. So, yan. Ginger, garlic. I think I need a little bit more oil. And then this, I'm gonna add some pepper lang, ha? Hindi ko siya lalagyan ng salt. Kasi, lalagyan natin ng soy sauce. Diba? Here. I'm just gonna add sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon, more like 3/4 tablespoon of cornstarch. And then our soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna add it. So ito, I'm not putting any salt here because the saltiness will come from the soy sauce. So, pwede nyo rin itong gawin sa beef, ha? Dadagdagan ko pa. Sayang. And then, of course, before I add the sauce, natutuwa na ako kay Ifugao Wine. Napakita ko ng picture na nagbigay. Lalagay ko lang siya. Haluan lang natin siya. Yan. Para mas mag-tenderize. Very simple. So, before I add this, I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce here. Before I add yung meron tayong cornstarch, no? Or yung slurry. Hinintay ko lang mag-reduce, no? Lahat ng rice wine. Marami namang klaseng rice wine. So, pwede rin Chinese cooking wine. Kung wala talaga, pwede sigurong gin. Beer will work, actually. It'll have an interesting taste. So, here we go. So, here. I-boil ko lang siya until mag-thicken, mag-reduce, and then we're ready to put it. So, don't worry na masyadong maraming liquid because we also want to make sure that simmer it and ma-absorb siya ng pork para sigurado malambot din yung pork kasi ang pork niya naman kainin kung hindi malambot, diba? Tapos, itatop natin mamaya ng onions na ginawa natin. Ready to serve. Actually, pwede nyo gawin ito pang baon. This can keep well. Kasi wala naman siyang tomatoes. So, it's soy sauce based. So, hindi siya mapapanis. Meaning, you can do it the night before. Put it in the ref. Put it in your bag. Tapos, punta tayo sa work. I'm sure naman, pag may pantry sa work, ima-microwave nyo lang. And then, that's it. So, another baon idea. I just want to see if it's very salty. The soy sauce I got is called dark soy sauce, pero hindi siya ganun kaalat. Just right. Perfect. It's exactly what I'm looking for. Very mild. So if you look at it, kanina, di ba? Nakita nyo yung liquid, ang dami-dami dito. Tignan mo, nagre-reduce na siya. So we wanna reduce it even more na dumidikit talaga yung sauce doon sa karne, sa ating pork. So I'm lowering the fire just to make sure I won't burn anything. Waiting na lang tayo around. Malapit na to. Sa grocery list ko, I always have a sukiyaki cut of beef. Kasi, pag galing sa freezer, mabilis ma-ready to cook. Tapos, hindi siya masyadong mahal. Diba? So, very affordable din siya. And here you go. This is how thick we want it to be. No? Na halos wala ng sauce. And now we're ready to plate it. Let's turn it off. So, ito ang ating rice from this morning. So, we're just gonna put some of the sauce kasi sayang naman. Sa mga nanonood ng kusina ni Mrs. O, as you notice, I'm very fond of doing a lot of rice bowls kasi feeling ko ang tipid lang sa hugas. Kaya I like it. And we have this habit sometimes, me and my husband, we like watching in front of the TV. Like if we're watching the news. So, that's why I like rice bowls kasi you could just be seated in front of the TV and just eating away. I'm just gonna top it with some onions. Ayan. Ayan. Then, if you don't have tongarashi, it's perfectly fine. But it will just add a little bit of spice and seasoning. And then, my toasted sesame seeds. So here is our pork gyudon bowl. Comfort food, especially if it's raining or if it's cold. Pork sukiyaki cut with some soy sauce, ginger, garlic, then some sauteed onions on top of rice. Pork gyudon a la Mrs. O. Enjoy! Happy eating! And thank you again for watching Kusina ni Mrs. O, and see you for our next episode. Bye! It's a wrap.
Gawin ko sa Konglanan. It's good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Dahil sarap. Para nag-caramelize yung onion. Medyo matamis. Pwede palaban. Pero heavy to. Masarap to pang lunch. Kakainin ko na kasi.